Hey everyone, let's make shredded potato salad today. So we will need 2 potatoes, 2 green onions, some garlic, peppercorns, dry chili peppers, soy sauce, white vinegar, salt, MSG or chicken powder is optional, and oil. First of all, let's cut potatoes into shreds. You can definitely use the tool to make the shreds beautiful. After cutting, let's boil the shreds in hot water for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, rinse the shreds in cold water and drain thoroughly. Also, cut the green onion into shreds. Now's the sauce part. Add 2 grams of salt, 1 gram of MSG, again optional, 20 grams of white vinegar, and 35 grams of soy sauce. Mix them well. Here I already minced the garlic. Put the peppercorns in the bowl and cut some chili peppers. Now let's add 20 grams of hot oil into the bowl and mix quickly. Please be careful of this step. Let's come to the last part. Mix all together. I hope you enjoyed this easy recipe. See you next time.